Good morning, everyone. So we're continuing in Mishle Proverbs-Perek Dalet, fourth Perek. We are in Pasuk Zayin. So the Pasuk says, Reshit Chochma Kene Chochma Uchol Kinyanecha Kene Bina. We say this Pasuk on Shabbat afternoon, Reshit Chochma Yirat Hashem. The beginning of wisdom, if you want, step one of wisdom, is actually fearing God. Here, Shlomo Melech, that's one Pasuk. There's another Pasuk, that there's also Reshit Chochma. I think it has to do with Simcha. Here is Reshit Chochma, the beginning of wisdom. Keneh Chochma, acquire wisdom. We'll see what that means. V'chol kinyanecha keneh bina, and with all of your possessions, acquire a deeper understanding of wisdom. So we've already saw an earlier pasuk, Keneh Chochma keneh bina, that pay money to get the wisdom of Torah if need be. Also, he said pay money even if you need a friend to help you with that, and having a good friend, how important it is. Here, what it's referring to is the following. There is, the Torah is compared to the ocean. The ocean is very vast, and the ocean is also very deep. And there's a discussion already in the times of the Gemara. What style is better to learn? Is it better to learn a little bit about a lot of subjects of Torah, and then get into the depth, or focus on a small amount but go very deep first? And that's what's called, the Gemara describes it as Har Sinai versus Oker Harim. Har Sinai, Mount Sinai. Har Sinai, the Torah was given on Har Sinai. That's the vastness of the Torah, the entire Torah. Or Oker Harim, which means to uproot mountains, meaning go deep. And sometimes I see a word in a verse, so what does that mean? What does that and go deeper? What's the balance? So I know in yeshivas, when they're younger, they teach you how to go deep because that's where you need the tools for that. And then, once you have the tools, now you can go vast. The Gaon Vilna says that this pasuk is referring to going vast first. Keneh Chochma, first acquire wisdom. Go and acquire, and then keneh bina, and then bina is a deeper understanding, and then get into things a little bit deeper. Second pasuk for today. We'll do three todays. Salseleha utro memecha. Come toward the Torah, and it will raise you up. Techabedecha ki techabekena. When you embrace the Torah, she will honor you. This is referring to that when one gets into Torah, says the Gaon Vilna, in a deeper sense, then you will see that you will know much more, and you will get a deeper understanding. Once you come toward the Torah, you will get deeper and deeper understandings as you go into it further and further. The last pasuk for today, the ninth pasuk of the fourth Perek, Titen leRoshecha livyat chen. Place on your head, or it will be placed on your head, an attachment or a jewel of grace, ateret tiferet temageneka, a crown of beauty, and it will be as a protection to you. So the Gaon Vilna says there's a difference between jewelry and a crown, like regular jewelry, let's say, and a crown. Jewelry gives grace to a person. Wow, it makes a person look more beautiful when they're wearing jewelry. So it gives them a sense of grace. That, number one, when a person connects to Torah, they have that beauty on them. But then there's a higher level, which is a crown. A crown is worn by kings. A crown, back in the day, a chatan on his wedding, and a bride wears crown. These are royal. These are something special. And a person can attain even that level of grace, that level of beauty, like a crown, through Torah. As we know that there are various crowns. There's the crown of kingdom in Judaism. There's the crown of Kohanim, Kehuna, in Judaism. And there's the crown of Torah. And there's the crown of having a good name, Keter Shem Tov. And we said once, the Pirkei Avot says, Keter Shem Tov, the crown of having a good name goes above all of them. But when it comes to the crown of kingdom, Kehuna, Kohen, and Torah, the other two, you have to be born in the line of being a Kohen. You have to be born in the line of King David to be a king, and therefore if you're not born in that, you can't attain those crowns. But the crown of Torah, as the Rambam says, is like in the corner, waiting for anyone to come and take. And that is the highest one. And a person can reach not just the level of a beauty like a jewel, but the level of even a crown when he connects to Torah. Bezrat Hashem. And then the last part, is Tiferet Temageneka, and it will be a magen for you. It will be a shield for you. Bezrat Hashem, the shield of Torah and mitzvot and all good deeds and good intentions that we have for our brothers and sisters should come to fruition. We should see that even though it's been so difficult, Bezrat Hashem, as we always have, we will come out of this victorious, and we'll see the victory and the ultimate victory of Mashiach Tzidkenu very speedily in our days with Tchiyat HaMetim במהרה וימינו אמן. רבי חנניה בן הקשיא אומר רצה הקדוש ברוך הוא לזכות את ישראל לפיכך הרבה להם תורה ומצווה שנאמר אדוני חפץ למען צדקו יגדיל תורה ויאדיר קדיש על ישראל. אמן.